actually am very excited to hear that more and more schools are wanting these greenhouses. In fact, I went back to Northwest Arkansas recently and spent some time with some of my friends that I taught with up there, and one of my friends teaches in Springdale. I think it's at a middle school, and they're interested in looking into the greenhouse and providing that opportunity for their students, and I think that is a great opportunity for kids, because even if they're not getting it home, maybe the schools can provide some of that opportunity for them to nurture the plants and learn about the life cycles. That George, when I taught there, they had started an outdoor a system where you could have the little ponds and watch the tadpoles grow into the frogs, and we'd scoop them up, bring them into the classroom, and watch them grow in the aquarium. And kids are fascinated with life and life cycles and things like that, and so for the school to be able to provide that environment, I think is just invaluable.